Is plucking eyebrows permissible?
Well, this issue has arisen out of a misunderstanding of a certain narrative of the Prophet. And the words of that narrative are to the effect, which in Arabic is called mutanammisat, which means a certain practice which is called tanammus. And it has been erroneously translated as plucking eyebrows. If you look at in any Arabic dictionary, and I think anyone can just look up in any Arabic dictionary, tanammus doesn't mean plucking the eyebrows. It actually related to a pre-Islamic Arab practice in which women would distort their hair in a certain way, and it would be made to dangle from their forehead, and it would be cut in a certain way. And the Prophet showed his dislike for a thing which again was, which didn't look nice on women. So that is basically mutanammisat or tanammus, the practice of tanammus, which in language, which linguistically was wrongly translated. So plucking the eyebrows is something which was never proscribed. It was never prohibited. To elaborate a little more, what we can understand from the overall directives of Islam is that it wants women, especially, it gives this leverage to women because they have a natural inclination towards beautifying themselves, looking good. So things which are in a certain way made to adorn them, to embellish them, the Almighty has never discouraged them. So therefore, if they pluck their facial hair, if they pluck, any hair on their face for any reason, of course, it's for their beautification. It bears no label of prohibition. It is a gross misunderstanding.